little. And it just like that. To make smoky, like little smoky in the front and the back, and I'll join it with goddess. I'm going to do goddess down. So let's do it. So I'm going to cut this. So the elastic is too big for under the what should I say, for the bobby. So I'm doing it up and I'm using zigzag. To make the sheer what they say. So I'm doing it I wanted it 2 inches interval, but it's doing 1.5. I think 1.5 or what I say. Okay, it's 1.5, but I wanted 2 inches. But it's okay, 1.5 is okay. Did not touch it, so I have to make it touch it. So now the shear is ready. So it's ready. This is the front and this is the back. Now I make a mistake and I'll take it. I'll sew it new again. So this is this. I'm going to join it the side and side, and then place it on my garland, and then make a fold here for the elastic or cloth for the sleeve. All right, so I'm doing sewing the sizes according to my measurement. So I'm doing it 1.5, because in the middle I'll use elastic.
Shadows lurking in the night.
Sometimes September too.
Heartbeats echo lost in fright.
The weather is unimaginable. You do what if well, you cannot regulate it. This is the work of God, not man-made. That's why God is great. But he does, no one can change. So I'm sewing it all around, and I will place cloth through it so that though I can do it without that, but I want it to be covered, my tight place covered, so that the top will not look bad. So now,
echo lost in fire.
Making finishing touches.
In the stillness cries arise, waiting for that light to shine.